In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Microsoft Teams version. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First things first, we need to get ourselves logged into Microsoft Teams. So go ahead and open the Microsoft Teams website in your favorite browser. Once the page loads, you'll need to sign in using your account credentials. This could be your work, school, or even personal account, depending on how you use Teams. Simply enter your email and password and hit enter to log in. Now that you're signed in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. One of the useful features in Teams is the menu icon, often referred to as the More Options icon. You'll find this represented by three dots lined up vertically, typically found at the top of your screen. Go ahead and click on those three dots to see a drop-down menu appear. Once the drop-down opens, you will see several options listed there. Here, you want to look for the one labeled Settings. It's usually situated somewhere towards the top of the list, making it easy to spot. Click on Settings to proceed. This will open a new Settings window, and we're getting closer to finding your version number. Now, to locate the specific version information for Teams, you'll need to scroll down the Settings menu. Keep an eye out for the section at the very bottom labeled About Teams. When you reach this section, click on it. This part of the settings is straightforward and gives you information about your application. Finally, the moment you've been waiting for. Upon clicking About Teams, your current version number will be displayed right there on the screen. This number tells you which version of Microsoft Teams you are currently using. It's helpful to keep this information handy, especially if you need to troubleshoot or if you want to ensure you're using the latest features available. And there you have it. You've successfully checked the version of Microsoft Teams you're running. Knowing how to do this can come in handy, especially when troubleshooting issues or when there's a need to update for accessing the latest features and security updates. If you're part of an organization using Teams, it's also good practice to compare your version with your colleagues' versions, ensuring everyone is on the same page and using the same features. Should there be any discrepancies in versions, it might be worth discussing with your IT department to see if updates are required. Thank you for following along today. Remember, keeping your applications up to date is a crucial part of ensuring you have the best possible experience while using tools like Microsoft Teams. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and don't forget to check back for more tips and guides in the future.